children's orthotic inner soles, and what do we look for in an orthotic inner sole for kids? So when we're looking after little feet, and they often have pains during growing periods. So often what we see in the podiatry clinic is mum or dad will come into the clinic with concerns either that their child has foot pain, or that their feet seem to be rolling in too far, or that their shoes are wearing out a little bit abnormally. Now, this is often a case when they have another child to compare this to, and they're not quite the same, but they're not sure what's going on. So usually during the growing periods, if we have a foot that rolls in too far, it creates excess strain on the foot during the growing periods when the foot's changing and adapting, because the muscles often stretch tight, and then the foot grows and it becomes more flexible, and it just moves around a lot more, and tight muscles over this period and excessive pronation or rolling into the feet can cause the feet to ache. So what we look for in an orthotic inner sole just for kids is similar to an adult's foot, but we just need to have a few more, just a specific design around how we support the child's foot. So this is our Ergonx Kids Fit Sports Orthotic Inner Sole. So this one's designed in a particular way. So we have this, so the whole idea of trying to stop or support your kids' feet is so they work less hard and they don't ache as much, and then they can get through their growing period with less aches and pains. So the name of the game is to support the foot, but we want to support and cushion the foot. So what we do is we have this really nice long high arch support and this lateral arch support as well. So it'll stop your child's foot from rolling in too far and rolling out too far. So it keeps your foot on as if it's on railway tracks, so it won't roll in too far and won't roll out too far. So that's a great help to limit the amount of stress and strain on the foot. And then what we have is this hard outer shell. So it's, if you can see here, we've got this very hard outer shell. So that sits on the outside of the orthotic inner sole. So that's where all the support comes from. But then on the foot side, you can see we've got this soft foot side area. So the part that actually rests against your child's foot is quite soft and supportive. So you get all the support of the hard shell, but then the comfort of the soft foot side. Now, children often get heel pain during growing periods. So if we can cushion the heel, what this actually does, even though the heel pain is actually up in the back of the heel, if we cushion this heel section, what it does, it reduces the amount of force that goes up through the heel. And when we reduce the amount of force from when your child's foot contacts the ground, it means their foot doesn't roll in as fast, because the force is spread over a greater time. So if we increase the time that the ground reaction force hits the foot, the force isn't as great that goes up through the heel, so it makes a more comfortable heel. We've also got this deep heel cup. So what this helps to do is keep the foot's natural fatty pad beneath the heel, so that further cushions the heel and just decreases those ground reaction forces when you're striking the ground as well. So they're the basic things that we look for in an orthotic inner sole. Now, it's very important to pair this with a good shoe. So if we have a good shoe that's got a nice shock absorbing midsole, and it's adjustable and fastenable to your foot, and it's got a removable liner that you can take out and put this one in, that is going to be the best combination for your child's foot. So we look for a supportive orthotic inner sole and fit it into a great shoe. So that's how we look after children's feet and growing pains and pains in the heels, like Sever's disease and Osgood-Schlatters disease is the one under the knee. That's how we look after children's feet in the podiatry clinic. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's very simple to do, and it really does help us out. If you need further information on the topics discussed, please follow the links in the description, and that will take you to our website where we've got more information on these topics. If you have a specific question that you'd like to ask, please comment in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to make a video to address your question. If you have any further comments or questions, you can find us at ergonx.com.au, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.